Jane goes into a shop and buys 3 biscuits and a cup of coffee. This costs 65 cents, right? Then Bob arrives and buys 2 biscuits and a cup of coffee, which costs 50 cents. What does a biscuit cost and what does a coffee cost? Now here we can see that Jane has paid 65 cents and Bob has paid 50 cents. So Jane has paid 15 cents more, right? And we can see both had a cup of coffee, 1 cup of coffee. So the difference here is only, here it's 3 biscuits and here there are 2 biscuits. So Jane bought 1 biscuit more and paid what? 15 cents more. It means this 15 cents is the cost of this one extra biscuit that Jane had. Now, biscuit has 15 cents, the cost, and we can see that, let's put this here, 3 biscuits cost 45 cents, right? 15 cents plus 15 cents plus 15 cents. And out of 65, if we subtract 45, we are left with 20 cents, and that is the cost of this cup of coffee. It means coffee is 20 cents. Now, when we do this, actually we have solved the equations. If I say 3b plus c is equal to 65 and 2b plus c is equal to 50. Now here b means the cost of 1 biscuit and c means the cost of 1 coffee. Now if we solve it like simultaneous, it's called simultaneous equation. If we subtract this equation from this equation, 3b minus 2b is b, right? And c minus c will cancel out with each other, and 65 minus 50 is 15. And we got the same result here. 15 cents is the cost of 1 biscuit. And then we put this value of b in one of these equations. Let's say we put in this equation. So 2 times b, that is 15, plus c is equal to 50, and 30 plus c is equal to 50. Now we can subtract 30 from both sides to get c is equal to 20, and we get the same result. Now let's do one more example. Now here we subtract this equation from this equation. We can add or subtract the simultaneous equations with each other term by term. So when we subtract x minus x, it will give us nothing. So 5y minus 3y will give us 2y, and 17 minus 13 will give us 4. And in the next step, we divide both sides of the equation by 2 to get y is equal to 2. And this value of y we can put in any equation, this one or this one, doesn't matter. Let's put it in this one, the second one. So it will be x plus 3 times y, that is 2, is equal to 13. And then x plus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal to 13, and x is equal to 13 minus 6, that is 7. So we write it like this: x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. That is the solution of these simultaneous equations. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.